Rocket into the sky!
Kids, balloons can also go up like rockets.
Let's make a balloon rocket together.
Let's see what materials we need first.
Straw. Tap the light circle.
Balloon. If you don't have straws, you can also use chopsticks instead. What kind of balloon rocket do you want to make? A red straw. A rocket balloon.
All done!
We also need a thin strip of paper, a double-sided tape, clip. Let's make it together. Let's make a paper loop first. Here comes a thin strip of paper. Apply the double-sided tape. Tear off the sticker on the surface to make the double-sided tape. Quacky will help you roll the paper loop. Put another piece of... Tear off the sticker on the surface to make the double-sided tape.
Paper loop is done!
Now we can blow the balloon!
The balloon is ready!
Clamp the balloon and watch out for air leakage. Glue the paper loop to the balloon. Finally, get the straw through the paper loop.
The balloon rocket is finished! Let's go launch the rocket! Go! Balloon rocket ready! Rocket into the sky!
Kids, do you know what? When air leaks...
Rocket into the sky!
When air leaks out of a balloon, the air inside will rush out in the downward direction. It gives the balloon a thrust that sends it flying just like a rocket.
Rocket into the sky! Rocket into the sky!